to make a single color isolation effect in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Ctrl+J duplicate this image. Now go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White. Use some levels to make a dynamic black and white look. Put black and white image and levels in Group folder. Now add a mask to the black and white layer. Take a brush and gently brush on the color area you need to reveal. Follow the steps like this. If you like this video, then watch the next video that appears on your screen, you will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.